Hello everyone! My name is Svetlana Mucha and I am the leading matchmaker and dating coach at Diola.com. Right now I'm not far from Lvov, so I'm in western Ukraine in a beautiful resort place called Edam. And I have tried to film this video for a few days for you, and it was way too windy, so usually when you try to film outside, the wind can mess up the video a lot. And right now, after I have started filming this one for you, I see that they have started doing some construction works over there, and I hope you will still be able to hear me. I hope the mic will do its job. Anyway, in this video I wanted to talk to you why so many gentlemen who have chosen international dating return back home empty-handed. And I think the biggest reason why you can see so many sad stories in the internet where gentlemen write that they went to Ukraine, to Philippines, to Thailand, and they didn't manage to find the right woman. I would say that the problem with these guys is the fact that they think international dating is a solution, and women overseas in all these countries that I have mentioned are just easier to attract, they're cheap, and you can date way out of your league. First of all, you can't compare Thailand to Ukraine. I have never been to Philippines, but I have been to Thailand many times, and the culture of these countries is very different. So when gentlemen travel over to Ukraine with the attitude that there will be desperate women to marry just anyone, they face the reality that it is not so. In Ukraine, we have a really high level of education, and I would say that in a big city it will be hard for you to meet a person who doesn't have a college degree. Of course, if we are talking about the small town, like any small town worldwide, the statistic will be different. And these gentlemen who travel to Ukraine with these hopes, high hopes that there will be women who are easily attracted, and these women will be cheap and you can wow them just by being male and by the fact that you are from Australia or the United States and you are able to buy her coffee, you will face a deep disappointment. Also, as one of the reasons why so many gentlemen fail in their attempts to meet someone abroad, I can call the fact that these gentlemen choose international dating for all the wrong reasons. They choose international dating not because they love traveling, they are very cosmopolitan, they love learning new languages, exploring new cultures, and they have lived in different cultures, so they understand the appeal to build a relationship with someone who represents another culture and is like-minded, who thinks that borders are all in your head. These gentlemen, they choose international dating just because they want to date younger, or just because they are not able to meet the right person in or attract the right person in their country. Like I have mentioned in numerous videos, international dating is definitely not for everyone. I would say that it is for the minority of singles, because you truly have to be adventurous in a good sense, you have to be truly open-minded, you have to be truly curious, very romantic, you have to be eager to explore these new cultures, to learn new traditions, and this difference in cultures, you will find it attractive. Some gentlemen, especially from US, they travel to Ukraine and they forget that our society is quite patriarchal. So when Ukrainian gentlemen court Ukrainian women, they take them out on dates, they foot the bills after the dates, they bring flowers, and this American gentlemen start calling it being materialistic, because in the US, women suggest splitting the bills. So why Ukrainian women are not doing same things? because culture is very different. If you like splitting bills, if you like being financially equal in a relationship, then dating in the East, dating in Eastern Europe, it won't be for you, because in our society it is still quite traditional, and many women like it when the gentleman earns more than she does and he's the head of the family. He leads, she follows. Of course, you can meet self-made businesswomen in Ukraine as well, and you can meet doctors, lawyers. So the whole idea that you will travel from the US and you will meet the hottest woman you have ever seen, and she will be 20 years younger, and she will suggest splitting bills. It is insane. I know that in the internet you can find some videos. Actually, we have filmed several videos, reactions with our psychologist to events, dating events from Philippines, where ladies walk with badges with the numbers like at beauty contests, and gentlemen are watching and picking the most beautiful looking woman. I have never been to Philippines, so I don't know if it is okay for their culture, part of their culture. In Ukraine, it is hard for me to imagine women doing something like that. You can tell me right now that there are paper letter dating sites, and you can see beautiful photoshopped photos, and Ukrainian women are showing their bodies, etc. But guys, how many photos at those websites have been stolen from Instagram, from Facebook? Those girls, they have no idea they're even registered at some of those dating sites. They can be happily married, and they can be even not from Ukraine, they can be from Russia, from other countries. So judging just by several paper letter dating sites that all Ukrainian women are like that, it's insane. Very often in our comments, gentlemen write that, oh, Ukrainian women do not want to leave Ukraine, they're not open to date foreigners, and they write it as an insult. And in half of my videos, I'll tell that really, most of local women, they want to date locally. International dating is truly niche, and it is truly for like-minded singles who see all the advantages of international dating. Guys from US, relax. International couples are not a way to get the green card, etc. There are many countries, wonderful countries to travel to see. It's not just about the US. I don't know why you get this idea, where you get this idea that everybody wants to move to the United States. It is not so. International dating is for adventurous, romantic women and men who believe that their soulmate waits for them on the other side of the ocean or in the other part of Europe, and you have to travel back and forth to meet her, to build a relationship, and then you will value this relationship more because you will live through this romantic adventure and you will have this experience. And I believe international couples, they truly have more fun, and they truly cherish their relationship more, and they prolongate this early, very romantic stage of their relationship. They make it more lasting because it will take them years to truly explore the differences in their cultures, and this is what they find appealing. So if you are interested in international dating just because you hope to get a much younger, very, very attractive supermodel who will love you the way you are in the trailer's park, you will face a huge disappointment. And I would say that because of these false expectations regarding international dating and regarding dating Slavic women in particular, you can see so many stories online when gentlemen are film these videos, or they write this text that, oh, I have traveled to Kiev, I have met her, I have paid for dinner, and then she has texted me that no chemistry. Maybe there is no chemistry. Dating, yes, it's taking chances when you go out with someone else, but you can change your attitude. Of course, not everyone is likely to fall in love with the first person you went on a date with. Some people will have to go through multiple dates. Some people will have to go through 100 dates. If you don't want to go through 100 dates and want to go out with women who were pre-selected for you by a psychologist and matchmaker, and these women will share your values, they will have similar vision about relationship, they will have similar relationship goals, then you can hire a matchmaker. If you want to do it on your own, yes, you will have to go through multiple dates, and each date will bring you closer to the date with the right person. So aiming, like putting all your hopes and expectations on the one date just because your photos are beautiful, it's naive. There is always a chance that there won't be attraction, that she won't like you or that you won't like her. I always recommend all my clients to go out at least on 3 dates, 2-3 dates, because attraction can grow. First date is usually very stressful, and normally it takes 2 or 3 dates to truly understand if you like the person. First impression can be deceiving, especially when you have crossed the ocean and you're jet-lagged. So I hope the sound is not messed up, and I hope you enjoy beautiful nature of Western Ukraine. It is truly a beautiful country, and I live in the east of Ukraine, and I love Kharkov with all my heart, but of course I can admire the nature of Western Ukraine. It's very different, it's unique. I want to wish you only love, and I hope you will choose international dating for all the right reasons, and your romantic adventure will lead to a happy, lasting relationship that will lead to a happy marriage. Svetlana Mukha from Edem, not far from Lvov, for Diola.com with love.